Actually, I'm gonna dedicate today's video to the moped. I don't have it here, but over the summer, me and my friends, we tried to put like a 70cc kit on it.
How hot is it?
Oh, the bolt is burning.
Ah! You know, tell me. You gotta play it like a sax. Other people. What's up, YouTube?
Alright, that's fine. Get that off of me.
Dude, I'm telling you, play it.
Huh?
Play it.
Oh. Like this?
Well, I mean, that's how sax is. No. Put your mouth on it and overlay the sax.
Dude, it has oil on it.
Commit to the...
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Time go fast, baby.
Predictions?
Predictions, at least a half a mile an hour.
32.
I think we did 32.
It doesn't measure half.
I'm gonna say 35, at least.
I don't know if it. I don't think it'll be that much better.
I got 34.
30. Oh.
I'm saying 33. Bolts. Am I doing it right? Let me see. No. Let me see, dude. What did you do?
Dude, it's nice knowing you.
What have you done?
I'll show you.
No.
I want to see it.
You'll see it.
No.
You'll see it.
Justin, you're missing a few bolts.
No, I'm not.
You literally are. It's a bolt missing.
No,
right
that's
here.
just press fit.
No, there's just one on the other side.
Dude, Ballast doesn't know how to film anything.
Give me the camera,
Like,
dog.
people talk and he's just zoomed in on this and we're just like having a conversation about up here. He's just like,
Watch closely. As the sealant comes off what used to be the crankcase.
scrape, boy, scrape.
Ballast puts the camera upside down.
Skull.
Let me see.
Stick glass.
Oh, yeah, let me see. Wow, that's so good. That is the classic.
Dude, how'd you make it look that perfect?
Years of practice.
I'm sorry.
It's not good enough, Justin. I can see it from here.
Breath.
Or like spray brake cleaner and do
But I
that.
don't think you want to get brake cleaner in your engine.
But it dries up, so.
Just thinking.
What do you have experience with that you can bring to our company? Bolts.
Expert on bolts.
What kind of bolts? You just pull them out of your pocket?
Well,
Big bolts,
I always have that edible thing on me.
big medium-sized bolts.
big bolts, tall bolts, fat bolts,
Short bolts.
I think it's filming your failures or your successes.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Both.
We don't know yet.
Between 4 student engineers trying to put it back together.
Bolts?
Red
Loose
bolts.
bolts.
It all happened so fast.
I don't think the blue bolts are safe. I think you gotta use the red bolts. I think red bolts are tougher than blue bolts.
Johnson insisted on the orange bolts.
We know he was crazy.
Ooh, very important.
Ooh, get some of that.
It doesn't work.
And we'll go back on.
Is it seated? Ooh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You clean the head.
I cleaned the head.
Give me some head. Slap that boy on here.
Which way does it go?
On.
There it is. That looks right.
That looks better.
Sit. Alright, now we gotta put on the bolts.
Nuts.
Nuts.
Not me. Listen, I'm not even gonna recognize this wheel.
5 dudes gangbang a moped.
I'm putting this screw in it right now. Back it up.
I moved over so you guys could do work.
Yo, back it up, Terry.
Why?
I've never actually seen that video. I'm not kidding.
I know what video you're talking about.
I've just heard people say that.
Weist isn't this threading?
What's backing up there?
The guy with the fireworks box on the on the scooter.
That doesn't move.
Yeah.
Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord, Jesus.
I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
It's so funny.
Frank, didn't you put this on before?
Yeah, it's hard. Well, it's hard to do. It's different. It's different, dude. Trust me.
Drink it, Sledge.
Pop it. Pop it.
You're welcome.
No, you can do that. I just don't think this is going in as far as we need it to.
Oh yeah, I am.
Wait, you're right. I am doing it.
The exact opposite.
He's just beating his meat over there.
You missed that content, by the way. Terrible.
Got
content.
it. I got it.
You got him beating his meat?
Yes.
Yo, check this, dog.
I got extra ones just in case. Don't put that. What?
I should put in the Boomba.
Why?
The Mr. Boomba.
You think it'll fit in there?
Yeah, I don't.
It's gonna have to. It's the spark plug, my guy.
Are you sure you need that? I'm gonna thread it.
Look, it's never
hold
been
on,
threaded
man.
before.
Where's the wrench? 7/16. No, that's not a. It's not a wrench.
I got the wrench.
And touch it.
No one took the wrench.
Where did the wrench go? What the heck, man?
Why do you even need the wrench?
To tighten. Andrew, you're the last one who did this. Did you have a wrench? Did you have a wrench?
No, I put it off my fingers. That's why they're only on by barely.
That's why they're only on by barely.
I thought I scratched your exhaust for a second.
That'd be funny. It wouldn't exhaust as well.
It wouldn't even matter, dude.
And in the end,
You would owe me like a couple hundred.
it doesn't even
If I
matter.
scratch it, I owe you a new one?
Yeah.
This kitchen's not.
A patty is a patty. That's what I say.
Content missed.
Content.
You're only here to provide us with content. You need to do better.
What do you
Make
mean?
yourself
Beat his meat
useful.
and things, SpongeBob.
Make
What's up, guys? It's Grant.
I'm not
Andrew Johnson, lead engineer.
lead build engineer, baby.
Spent 2 years overseas in Germany, working for the Third
Fighting
Reich.
the Americans.
Oh,
That's so funny.
Dude, this content. I never told you to chill.
I'll do open plastic.
Don't put them in yet, dude. There's a gasket. Stop. Stop.
Put the gasket!
Put the gasket.
Where the gasket at? Bows?
Yo, where the gasket at?
Come on, boss.
What's up, guys? Grant here. Got my baby monitor. Gonna camp out in the
my
buildings
baby
on that one
mama.
map.
Stoner 63 extended mag. I like the reflex sight
This
with
is
the
not
skulls and
right.
crossbows.
It only costs 250 COD coins. It's
Daniel,
really cheap.
$5, please.
Is it in?
You owe me $5 on the premise you were that dumb.
Dumb? Are you dumb?
Whoa! No, I'm not that dumb. I'm pretty smart.
Pretty smart for a white guy.
All the
Your mom
content.
dildo.
Just throwing stuff.
Dad stance.
Heavy boy. That's just great. Bruv, is it time?
Dude, it looks way cleaner.
It's so time, dude.
I'm scared. Dude, it has so much compression.
That's
not
probably the
good.
best part.
It's way harder to kick.
It can have too much though.
Yo,
That's kind of deep.
I'm gonna ride it.
Definitely beefy.
I'm scared.
What size jet? That's so good.
And you adjust the idle? So like,
You probably need to adjust the idle screw if you change the jet.
yeah.
Especially by that much.
Dude, it's so hard to kick.
I feel like it can idle a little lower.
Just let me explore it. Put some miles on it. This little idle goes way more.
I can't let these niggas knock me off my pivot. God sat me down and talked to me. I listened.
Sit and watch what? What are you doing, dude?
So that's what it is. I'm finishing the Bombastic Ballers video with this shot. This shot finishes the video. That's it. You can cut.